Guys, good morning. Look at these two little cute babies. They don't like to move. Especially this one. Unless I am not touching with them or hug them, they are not moving. Okay, I will hug you now and I will move now. Okay. You're so crazy. Now, Leia is okay now. Where you go? You too much greedy, guys. There is a food here. See, there is a tuna. And then what are you looking again? This is your scheme always. They are lying down and beg me to give a food. What do you want? They want this one, guys. This one. They are greedy so much for the food. Huh? You like it? I will put it. Come. I need to put some for them. Because actually they took breakfast already. But these two are too greedy. Huh? Yeah. Go, go, go. See? That is the first honor. This is Snowy Girl. Later, you follow Snowy. Okay? Leo? You're a gentleman. You're so cute and gentleman. So, have a nice day and enjoy your food. Okay? Just a little bit waiting for Snowy. Okay? See you later, guys. Bye-bye.